Hi everyone, this is Bramesh from BrameshTechAnalysis.com, and in this video we'll discuss about an example of Gann price and time squaring. Tata Steel was one of the stock which has seen a very decent fall today, and stock has seen a correction almost 10% down. It is one of the favorite stock of the bull run which we are currently having. So can these kind of moves be predicted in the stock? So for that, I'll just explain you simple Gann price and time squaring, which you can learn, which you can start applying in your market. I mean, in whichever stock you track, and probably we'll see two or three more examples for that. So, this is Tata Steel, and it has formed a top on 14 September at 1476. So basically, price and time squaring, I mean, there are various ways to find price and time squaring. For me, on a particular date, if certain Gann numbers are coming, so basically I consider them as Gann price and time squaring. And so 1476 was the top. After that, the stock has been falling, gradually, and today it got a momentum. So how we can predict these dates well in advance? So first, let's discuss about the time part. So I'm using a software called Gann Analyst Professional. This is Gann. It's free software. It is available widely on net. You don't have to do anything. And for data, there are two data it supports. One is CSV data, and another one is a metastock data. So metastock data is a paid data. I mean, there are a lot of service providers for metastock, and CSV data, if you don't want to spend money, then you can get a CSV data. So now first thing is, let's go back. Like Gan used to tell, we have to just go back and find if we can find any symmetry. So if I go back all the way in 2020, if you see here on 14 Jan 2020 was the top of Tata Steel at 506. After that, the stock has a very brutal fall. It almost halved in the COVID crash. So if I use this 14th January 2020 as my reference date, so I go to tools, Gann emblem. I've set up this wheel at 14 January. So I'm getting these dates. So one of the date which is coming is September 14th, you know. So this is the date which is coming, and this date can act as an important trend change date. Before that, if I go 180-degree, which I was getting July 15th. So first, let's quickly check what happened on July 15th. July 15th was somewhere here. 16, 15, 15th also it made a small top and we had a good correction in the market. Now 14th. So this was this date was 14th. It made a top of 1476. This is one way of finding the date. Second way is once you load the Tata Steel chart here, you click on price tool and click on this static, time extension static. So what you have to do is, let me just quickly delete this. So you go to time tools, click on time extension static. You drag it from here from a top to a bottom. You'll get a date of 17 February. 17 February was it was on Friday, and today 20th. I mean, once 17 February low was breached, 17th September low was breached, and from there we had a very deep decline in the market. So these are the two ways to find the time cycles. Again, there are a lot of ways. I mean, these are two basic ways which you can use in this software. It is free of cost available. Second thing is, if I go to now the price, so I have my own program here. So Tata Steel made a low of 1050 on this day on 18 June. If I, if I put my program here, it will automatically give me certain levels. So 1475 was an important level. So you can see here today on 14 September only, it made a high of 1475. And from there, this is Poisson time squaring. And today it has corrected. Now if 1325 is not breached, today's data is not updated, but if I go and check in trading view, so 1325, we got a opportunity to short today, and from there it has gone all the way till 1253, and I'm looking for a target of 1183. Probably, let's see whether it comes tomorrow or not. But for people who are short, use 1325 as your levels, and for people who know Gann price and time squaring, for them this level was very important. So this is a very simple example of finding Gann price and time squaring. Now again, see, these kind of things, these are very simple to explain, and you have to just work hard and get these dates. I'm giving you the process. You have to just spend time in analyzing and learning it. Now, a few examples I want to give, like JSW Steel. It also had a deep correction today. Today was an important date for JSW Steel also. And if I go to a daily chart of JSW Steel, it made a top here. See, 669 was an important level. Today's high was exactly 669, and from there the stock has a deep correction again. See here, this was today's high. It is exactly 669, and from there it has fallen all the way till 628, and I'm looking for a target of around 569 or 610 would be my first target. If that is breached, then 569. Now one stock which I'm tracking closely, which is very important as per Gann price and time squaring, is Metropolis Healthcare. Now if 3008, uh, I think it made it, yeah. So 3231 is the high here, and here we have a high of 3240. Yeah. So if 3016 is breached here, I think today just close a tad above it. And if that is breached, I am looking for a target of 2800 in this particular script. So Metropolis 3006 was the low, close was 3034. So once 3016 is broken, then we can expect a fall all the way till 2800. This is again based on Gann price and time squaring. So let's watch out for these levels. I've given you a simple technique, and I wish you guys all the best. Stay disciplined.